Hello and welcome everyone, you're watching Learn with Ears. In today's video, we're looking at confusing words. These are her, hair, air, hair, here, and here. So the first word is her. Her, as in hurt. We drop T and pronounce her, her. We can also pronounce without R, her, her, or her, her. It refers to a female person or an animal. Okay? We use it in the objective case of she, or the possessive case of she, or the dative case of she. Now let's see some examples. I like talking to her. Her. Okay? Next. I like her dance. I gave her the book. Okay? Her. I like talking to her. I like her dance. I gave her the book. Now next word is hair. 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 We can also pronounce without R. Hair, hair. Okay? Hair, hair. So here we have example. Look at her long hair. Look at her long hair. Her, her, hair. Look at her long hair. Next. She has brown hair. She has brown hair. Okay? Hair. Let's see the next one. Oh, guess what? Hare. Hare. Hare is an animal like a large rabbit that can run very fast and has long ears. Okay? Let's see some examples. The hare has a short tail. Next, hares run fast. Next, we saved 5 hares. Okay, we saved 5 hares. Now let's look at the next word. Here. Here. We can also pronounce here. Here without R. Okay, or here. It is used after a verb or preposition to mean in, at, or to this position or place. Okay? For example, click here for more videos. Here. Here. Click here. Okay? Next, I live here. I live here at this place. Okay? Next, come over here. Come over here. Next, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Okay? Now let's move to the next one. Here. Here. Okay? Here or here. To perceive or become aware of by the ear or ears. Okay? Here. Here. I couldn't hear anything. I couldn't hear anything. I'll let you know if I hear anything. Here. I'll let you know if I hear anything. Next. Did you hear that sound? Here. Here. Okay? Let's look at the next word. Air. Air. Air without H. Okay? H is silent. Air or air. 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 Okay? Heir. Heir. Heir is a person who inherits or is entitled to inherit the rank, title, position, etc. of another. It means a person Who has the legal right to receive somebody's property, money, or title when the person dies? Now let's see the examples. The king left no heirs when he died. Next, the king's elder son is the heir to the throne. Next, who is the true heir to the throne? Okay, heir, heir. H is silent. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.